Hi and welcome back to Spot on Works. In this video I'm gonna show you the location and how to remove spare tire in 2014 Ford Fiesta. This is gonna apply to Ford Fiestas made from 2011 and all the way up to 2019. Your spare tire and jack kit is located in the trunk compartment. So I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna remove this carpet and right away I can see my spare tire. So first thing, to remove it, I'm gonna remove this top piece. It's not attached, it's just sitting on top of spare tire. And now to remove the spare tire, I'm gonna turn this wing nut counterclockwise. Remove it out of the way, and now I'm gonna pull spare tire out. After spare tire is removed, now I can see my jack, and to remove it I'm gonna again turn this counterclockwise. Almost there. There we go. And now I'm gonna remove my jack kit. And this is how you remove your spare tire and jack kit. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.